If you like to lose your money, be a fool and bet on Sunday. Good man with me. You look at me, I'm loaded with something. I can't beat you. I had 180 ounces like, what you like, I'm pretty good. I don't get down again, but Frazier again. He has Frazier in the corner. Frazier's knees buckled. He is down.
I've done something new for this fight. I done wrestled with an alligator. That's right. I have wrestled with an alligator. I done tussled with a whale. All of you chumps are gonna bow, but the man's in trouble. I'm gonna show you how good I am.
The time may have come to say goodbye to Muhammad Ali, because very honestly, I don't think he can be George Foreman.
They took my title unjustly. I told you I'm the real champion. I told you I'm the champion of the world. All of you crawl. All of my critics crawl. All of you suckers.